Welcome to Science Hub. Today, we're delving into a potentially transformative collaboration between two major tech players, Tesla and Intel. This partnership is poised to redefine the landscape of artificial intelligence chip manufacturing. Tesla, driven by its aim to cut manufacturing costs and boost processing power, is exploring a partnership with Intel to produce its fifth-generation AI-5 chips. These chips are pivotal for Tesla's autonomous driving systems, a key focus for the company right now. The collaboration comes at a time when Tesla is grappling with supply chain constraints from its traditional partners like TSMC and Samsung, who are struggling to meet the surging demand. Intel might just be the solution Tesla needs to overcome these challenges. If this partnership materializes, it could revolutionize chip production. The new chips are expected to cost only a fraction, 10%, of what Nvidia's current chips cost. Moreover, they promise to be energy efficient, consuming just one-third of the power used by Nvidia's leading chips. Such advancements could dramatically alter the economic dynamics of the AI sector, allowing companies to invest more efficiently in infrastructure without the burden of hefty financial costs. Tesla has an ambitious production plan. It aims to start a limited production of AI-5 chips by 2026, with plans to significantly ramp up by 2027. The vision extends to developing the sixth-generation AI-6 chips with doubled performance by mid-2028, using the same facilities. Tesla's strategy includes building a massive chip manufacturing facility. This move is expected to boost production capacity and reduce reliance on external supply chains, reflecting a shift towards enhanced local manufacturing. Businesses face challenges related to supply chain flexibility and adapting to geographic shifts in manufacturing. Potential changes in chip costs might force companies to reevaluate their technological strategies and update schedules. The government's investment in Intel underscores the importance of maintaining technological sovereignty. Companies, especially in sensitive sectors, need to consider how these shifts might impact their technology sources. Tesla and Intel's moves signal a new era in AI chip manufacturing, potentially leading to more efficient and cost-effective technologies. Organizations must stay vigilant as today's decisions could shape the future technological infrastructure. If you enjoyed this glimpse into the future of AI technology, consider subscribing to Science Hub for more insightful science content.